Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, driver convenience group, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.